This is life. And accidents happen. This is the Rexing V1P dash camera, your roadside eyewitness. Capture vehicular events to use as evidence when you need it. V1P simultaneously records from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera captures video in full HD resolution and at 30 frames per second. With ultra-wide-angle lenses, V1P captures more than what your eye sees. V1P provides clear visibility of the light and dark areas in your videos because it auto-adjusts the exposure settings as needed. Capture clear videos even at night. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you to view, save, and share your videos wirelessly on your mobile device with the Rexing Connect app. V1P is powered by a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to the lithium-ion battery, and it features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. V1P automatically starts recording when any shaking or movement is detected, even when your car is parked. When the gravity sensor detects collision, it automatically locks your video to prevent overwriting. Never drive without an eyewitness. Rexing V1P. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.